Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how to claim free crypto using Binance Red Packet codes. First, open the Binance app and log into your account. Tap More or Pay, then look for the Red Packet feature. Depending on your app version, you may find it under Gifts and Campaigns or More Services. Next, tap Enter Code, paste your Red Packet code and hit Claim. If the code is still valid and the reward pool hasn't been exhausted, the crypto reward will be credited directly to your support wallet. Most red packet codes are available on a first come, first served basis, so it's important to redeem them as quickly as possible. That's it. Keep checking Binance official promotions and campaigns for new red packet opportunities and always avoid fake codes or websites asking for your password or private keys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Binance tutorials. Thanks for watching.